Today I have got something really special for you guys. In today's video, I am going to explain how you can use the energy of love and festivities to your benefit. When you are in the energy of love and joyfulness during these festivities, you can effortlessly use this energy to your benefit to manifest your desires. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shivamod. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Before we dive into the video, let me ask you one question. Do you want to supercharge your manifestation journey? Do you want to manifest your desires in the most effortless way? Then the key is always feeling happiest. Use the energy of happiness to your benefit and manifest your desires. And in today's video, I am going to share all of it. How you can manifest your desires even when you are not feeling the happiest. Tap into that energy. So stick around. There's a lot to uncover. Now, most people do not realize that when they are in the energy of love, happiness, or uplifted, they are in a better state of mind to experience their desires. You all must have heard that you need to be in the energy of happiness to experience your desires. And you might ask why? Because when you are imagining good things, you are already happy in your physical reality. It cannot be like you are imagining the bad things but you are happy in your physical reality. What you are imagining is expressed in your physical reality. Therefore, when you are imagining the good things, the love things, you are in the high energy and therefore it is expressed through your emotions. So the choice is always yours. You can either choose love or you can either choose fear. If you are again and again tapping into the energy of love, that is what you will experience inevitably in your physical reality, because imagination creates reality. That is the baseline. So here's where things get interesting. To make sure that you are always manifesting from the space of love and oneness, even when you are not in the best of scenarios, that is what the key is. So hang tight. In today's video, I am going to explain that to you. Let me further explain it with an example. If currently you are manifesting love, it can be specific or new. If you are again and again doubting, if you are again and again fearing if that person will love me back, if that person will message me back, what are you currently doing? You are currently fueling the reality that you do not want to experience. And therefore, you are pushing your desires away from you. And in these moments only, you have to tap into the energy of love. And how you can do it, that is what I am going to explain. But as you do it, you align your energy with love. That is where the real magic begins. When you are in flow, you are in alignment with your desires. In simple terms, let me explain it to you. Your desires have already been created. As you start imagining, you have already asked for it and it is created in that parallel reality in your imagination. Now, as you again and again tap into that reality, that is what can flow into your life. But your doubts and fears are diminishing. Your doubts and fears are getting power, and therefore they are pushing that reality away from you. Now, your work as a conscious manifester is to tap into that reality and maintain your high vibe. And how you can do it? For that, you need to understand you should not only have one desire to focus on, because if you will have just one thing to focus on, that is what you will always see the lack of it, because you are not experiencing it in your physical reality. Therefore, you should have few things in your reality that you can really enjoy, through which you can let your creative aspect shine. You must have heard, ask and it is given, because whatever you have asked is already given, it is already created. Now it is your acceptance or denial is what will make you experience your desires. As you are accepting your desires again and again, imagining it, making it real in your imagination, that is what you will experience. To experience it in the physical reality, which is a more denser kind of reality, the time and space reality, it will take some time for you to experience it from your imagination to this physical reality. But for that only, you need to maintain that high vibe. Throughout the video, I said that I will be sharing a technique through which you can tap into that energy, you can tap into that happy moments even when they are not being experienced by you currently, and how you can do it. Let me ask you one thing. Can you remember a time when somebody yelled at you? How did it make you feel? You can really tap into that emotion right now, even if it has happened years ago. You can tap into that emotions. And the same is true for those happy emotions. You can tap into those happy emotions. So use these festivities whenever you are experiencing the happy moments with your family and friends. Observe those moments and use those moments later whenever you are doing your focus work. So before doing your focus work, which is visualization, scripting, affirming, sit down for few moments and start imagining the good times in your reality. Start experiencing it in your imagination. Observe your friends and family having fun. They are laughing, you are sharing food. Experience that joy, experience that togetherness, and tap into that energy. Focus on the energy of gratitude. Gratitude is a beautiful energy. If you can tap into that energy of love and gratitude, it is great. Be thankful for those moments that you experience with your friends and family. Be thankful for the food and just tap into that gratitude and love in any which way that you can. And once you have tapped into that energy, from this energy now start imagining for your desires. You can visualize, you can script, or you can affirm. Now throughout the day, you should have a few affirmations that you can repeat to yourself that will help you to tap into that high frequency. That can be, I'm so happy and grateful that my friends and family are with me. I'm so happy and grateful that my parents are doing good, my friends are doing good. Those statements should be like that will help you to tap into that high frequency and should be very dear to you. It might be related to your manifestation, it might not be related to your manifestation, but they should help you to tap into the high frequency. So use these affirmations to tap and maintain that frequency and feel the emotions, so that you can now say your affirmation from this frequency, from the high frequency. So while you are in this positive, uplifted state, you are just not manifesting your desires. You are supercharging your manifestation power to experience your desires, enjoying your reality. You are not just enjoying the created, that your creation, you are also enjoying the creation process, and that is what is important. As you're enjoying the creation process, not just the creation, that is where the whole enjoyment and joyfulness comes together, and you start becoming the conscious creator of your life who's enjoying his reality. But there's a crucial step that most of the people forget or want to dodge, but you cannot dodge it. And that is, your energy speaks. You cannot fake your energy. You cannot fake that frequency that is already within you. You cannot fake that higher self. You might feel that you can do it, but you can't. So when you can really tap into that energy, you will know. Therefore, I have given this roadmap to you so that you can really tap into that high vibe. You can really imagine the good things and then imagine your desires, so that it is not like you're faking it. You are already imagining the good things which you have experienced in your reality. I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also, if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your fellow manifestors. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.